Hey guys, I'm showing you this Tanden roller skate bag. This is the ice skate bag for kids and adults, or it can be a roller blade, bag, or it can be used for any type of skates to carry the ice skates, the quad skates, or inline skates, or anything. So it's a very solid bag, and you can have the protective gear, your helmet, your skates, one all in one way. And you can see like the side pockets also for putting the water, or the any other thing. So this have the zipper. This is a waterproof bag, and the fabric. So have the different pockets, the large ones with the handle and the strap to carry. So I'm just putting all the things in here and showing you how this went. It's a protective gear. So in the side pocket, I put a helmet here in the side pocket, and then the main, skates. So here you can see like these are the roller skates with the wheels, and it fits really well here. There is no issue. And then um, the side also, the zip is also locked, so just packed inside. And then I also put this helmet here on the side, for so all protective gears in one side and the helmet on the other side. And it's very easy to carry with the handle, and the strap is also there. So basically it's a nice design, and you can see from the side also, like the mesh thing, so you can know. Overall it's a nice design. You can say mesh high quality here, and this have the name tag, and for the water bottle, all the spaces, even in the stoppers on the bottom. So it's nice design for the skates bag.